Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and OS compatibility so drivers work. First, disable the internal Wi-Fi to avoid conflicts, then plug the wireless USB adapter into a USB 3.0 port. Once done, make sure you already have the vendor driver or utility downloaded. That prevents Windows or Mac OS from installing a generic driver that may not support advanced features. You're initiating the hardware handshake now, and having drivers ready speeds the process and avoids needless reboots. You run the vendor installer as an administrator so drivers and firmware apply correctly. Accept prompts and reboot when requested. After reboot, open network settings and pick the new adapter. Then select SSID, channel band, and WPA2 or WPA3 security so the connection is secure. Next, set DHCP or a static IP depending on your network plan. If you have multiple NICs, adjust the interface metric so traffic uses this adapter. These steps complete the core configuration and ensure stable route. You finish by verifying signal strength and link speed, and then update firmware through the vendor tool to fix bugs and improve performance. Once done, run ping and a speed test to validate latency and throughput, and make sure power management won't suspend the adapter. If something goes wrong, first try a different USB port or a USB extension to reduce interference. Then reinstall the driver or test the adapter on another system to isolate hardware versus software faults. This single troubleshooting tip resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.